Hello my friends, today I will make a owl in a Adobe Illustrator, and let's begin. Do file. Before I tell you about it, let's make a new. Okay, don't click nothing in here, just click OK, and that make it okay. It made, and I tell what I going to use. You can see I will use this shape polygon tool. I will use. Okay, so I click it, and I will use this. This is direct select tool, which means this is a anchor point, because A for anchor point. That will I will tell you about it. Okay, I am clicking just only once. That's asking which do you want to shape. I will do minus up to 3. Click it. That will make this. Wait guys. You can see this. This is a anchor point. This is. And I will tell you about now. Let's do shift. Okay. V to go in select tool. Let's go in A, which means anchor point tool. See guys, I am doing just that much, just dragging mouse. Only this anchor point. I will do all of this. You can see it. Shift, I will make it bigger. You can see this owl shape. Just many stuff left to make it. Okay, and let's make bigger. Oh no. Okay, bigger. I just the shift and drag like this and shift, so that make balancely. I tell you about balancely, so that don't dance. Okay, so let's go L to go in circle. Let's do shift and drag. Enough. Okay, we'll select it. Too much for okay, let's do 1. Not 1, this is so small. Let's go in 3. No, not 3. Let's go in which you want. I will go in 2. This is your decision how you want. I did because we are not making like this, but we are just sketching it. In last I will put how much I want the thickness. Okay, see guys, I will do just this. Why this don't coming? Why it's not coming, guys? It must come this line. Let's look. I will go in here. You can see this white, this and it. Now that come. See guys? You can see this is going. This is invisible and coming front of the eyes. It means we can see it, and if that is white, no, not this line is not curtain, which means we cannot see it. Okay, so guys, let's select it only. I will tell you about one more tool. Okay, let's go O. O, just a O. O, which means this. R. You can see just R, but not rotate. We are doing reflect tool, which means O. We can use O. We can use O or just it. This is your decision. Okay. Shortcut is O. Just this written. If we do like this, shortcut is automatically in bracket. Okay. We're clicking Alt click, do copy. We haven't made it, so I am going. Okay, select it all. We don't need to shift button like this. Okay, we're doing shift M, which means shape builder tool. You cannot build it, even you can make alt and minus the tool with alt and click, and you will get this shape. It and it and it. Okay, this is it. Let's go little bit. Okay, little bit distance. It's nicely looking. Okay, enough. Little bit distance, little bit more logo type of looking. Then if you want to do better to not do like I doing, or you can do, because this is a little disturbing, but I made like this. Let's go little bit here and little up. Okay, let's do enough. Okay, so let's make his eyes with L, doing with shift. Shortcut is click, L is shortcut, and shift shift click, and we make this perfectly tool. If you want to copy it, so you can see I am doing click, alt, shift, dragging. This is it, and we copy it. This is the shortcut. You can make how you want. You can make big eye, small eye, how you want. I will make that much. How I like to see my owl. So I want like this. Okay, let's go in shapes. Click polygon tool and click it in the middle. Okay. Oh, it's so bad looking now. Okay, let's go in here, in here, and if we go in here now, do click it, shift, and make it smaller, a little bit, enough. Okay, made it. Looking nice, bird. Kind of nice. Let's copy it once, only once. Do opposite. This is swap, fill, and stroke. Opposite, we can do like this or like this. You can see that I'm clicking. Okay, so let's be like this. Shift and click, and we can make it smaller. Okay, let's put in the middle, in the center direction. Let's and control center. Okay, this is it. I will just copy it. Alt and click, and wherever you want. That will be like this. But this is not a real what I will make. Click this. Click this. no, sorry. Okay, let's make smaller. Okay, enough. Let's do one eye. Shift and shape builder tool and alt and click. This is making, I don't believe it. Okay. Okay guys, we are I know now. Just click let's do alt and roll in the middle is the some roll stuff wheel, not a car wheel but a normal wheel on mouse. Okay, let's select both shift click only this. Let's go shift and shape builder tool and do alt and click. We're having this beautiful eye looking nice. Zoom out. Let's go zoom. Okay, enough. Or wait guys, let's and I know and do delete. I don't care. Go alt shift and click, drag it center, slot and center. If you how you want, you can make one. You can make one or two or three white spot. I want to make some for showing you. I will. You can how you want. I will make two, just easy. I will do first. Before do A like anchor point. Select it, only it. Okay. Little bit, just drag little bit. How cute looking, yeah, cutie. Okay. I will go V. Select tool. And I will make first just this last circle. You can see it. I will do guys it and do it opposite. I will just make it last go smaller. Okay, drag it here. Okay, let's go and click and shift here, click shift M shape builder tool. Let's go zoom, just dragging. Okay, we're having this kind of cute owl. Click delete, click alt shift and drag it in the center. You can see this rot and center. Okay, this is it. Okay, just last step. It is last step is most fun. What I like most, coloring. I love coloring, so let's begin with color. Let's do V. Click it, only it, click it to that. Let's do all of it and do the same stroke. Okay, let's go. Too much fat. Okay, enough. 5. If you want more, some do more, but I will stay with it. So this is thickness and then touching any shape, so better stay with it. Okay, so click one, go in here. Okay, choose whatever you want color. I will do just in here, use it. Okay, and we have this color. This and do white fill. Okay, and we have it. Let's do same thing. Click select it, click once, do I is just a shortcut, and do like this. It's easy, more easy. This is the shortcut. And click is the mouse, and going in here, going little on orange. I will choose this color, this kind of color, looking like this. Nice, very nice, very cute. And click it. Let's go and let's look all of this color. Red. Okay, I will do red. Okay, let's go T, guys. Click here and write owl, wait, owl's basic logo. If you want more hard, so I just do basic for teaching you how fun is Illustrator, Adobe Illustrator. Okay, more funner. Go in here, right? If you want some whatever font, you can write up is font name. You can do whatever font you want. I will do this kind. Wait. Okay, guys. You cannot do V. If you click V, that is right hand. So go up, click it, then is that. Okay. Let's go. My favorite is let's look. So strange fonts is there. So I will do like a kid, right? Kid words, like shift, do a big, click it, do I, and click on. Oh no, better to stay on like this. I hope you enjoy my my cute owl Adobe Illustrator video, and please share, like, and subscribe. See you in third lesson. Bye, friends.